Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. And friends, there is a big news which is coming here from Cognizant. Many of you have received similar kind of mail from Cognizant. Cognizant survey on 8th semester exam and marks it availability. Okay, and this has come from Gen Z intern, something like that. We value your association with Cognizant. To effectively plan your onboarding and training, do share the schedule of your 8th semester exams and marks it availability. Do update the details in the survey given below by 12 p.m. on May 30th, 2025. Survey link, they have given a survey link. We will talk about that as well. So what has been asked in the survey, and basically what is the meaning of this particular email? Okay, so friends, first thing I would like to make it very clear. So congratulations if you have received this email from Cognizant, because this is a selection email. Okay, just think for a minute, right? They are asking you to fill this survey link, and we value your association with Cognizant. To effectively plan your onboarding and training, do share the schedule of your 8th semester exam and marks it availability. So they're clearly telling, so you are selected from, after the interview, and now let us plan your onboarding. So please do share the schedule of your 8th semester exam and marks it availability. So once again, I would like to tell, so congratulations, my dear friends. Okay, so you are already selected, and now you please fill this survey form. What you have to fill in that survey form, that also we will tell you. And I also request you, please keep checking your spam folder. Sometimes what happens, so you get email in the spam folder, and if you are not able to fill this survey form, then definitely your onboarding will not be planned. Okay, fine. And many of you would not have received it, right? See, because everybody will not be onboarded in one shot, in one phases, so it will be happening in the multiple phases, right? So you should not have any doubt, you should not have any confusion. And friends, if you are preparing for the exam and if you need definitely help of your friends, then our Telegram group is there. Do not forget to join the Telegram group, right? Okay, now you will be onboarded upon successful completion of background verification, BGV. So friends, your background, so whatever details you filled while applying for Cognizant, so they will be doing the background verification. And we wish you all the best for your future journey ahead. So human resources, Gen Z. Clear? Okay, now, so next if you'll see, so here they have asked few details here. So Cognizant survey on final semester and marks availability. So if you have all the marks, okay, when you are completing your final semester, based on that they will plan your onboarding. So we value your association with Cognizant. Once again, your response to survey will help us effectively plan your onboarding. Kindly take 5 minutes of your time and complete the survey. Do remember to survey the form on or before 12 p.m. 30 May. Upon successful completion of background verification, you will be onboarded with us. So you have to put your superset ID and enter your Cognizant registered email ID. And have you completed your 8th semester exam? If yes, then you mark yes. If no, then please mark no. Don't bluff. Okay, see, Cognizant also is a very good company, and see, companies delay the onboarding, there is no problem. Companies delays the joining, that is not a problem. But you cannot bluff with the company that no, I have, I have completed or I have not completed. So whatever it is true, fill that. And if any further information will be there, definitely I'll be sharing with you. So this was a small information which I wanted to tell you, because many of you are asking, sir, what is the meaning of this? So this means selection. And once again, congratulations, take care, bye bye. We'll meet soon in the next video.